video is about my cutting table. About a year and a half ago, I hacked an IKEA console table and turned it into a cutting table. Hi, I'm Susan with Sewfeet.com, and I'm rehacking this table because I realized I'd made a mistake with the first hack. So let me show you what I've done to it. So here's the table when I first bought it. I love the clean lines, the shelves on the bottom are very functional, and I love the light colored wood. You'll notice there are 3 drawers across the top, and those were very functional. I could access each drawer from the front or the back of the table. But this was the big mistake I made. So here is my brother-in-law, who is the one that helped me with this, and this is the first hack. The depth of the first table was about 16 inches, and so I had him take a piece of plywood that was 32 inches, so we doubled the depth of it. And you can tell he's an engineer because he is marking everything and he got it perfectly even, exactly the way I told him to do it. And that meant that the tabletop extended 8 inches in the front and 8 inches in the back beyond the table. And here's the problem. Whenever I went to use one of the drawers, I would have to pull out the drawer and take it completely out in order to see what was in it. And if you're wondering why it took me so long to rehack this, I had to wait for him to come to visit. He lives in Canada with his family, and he was here for Thanksgiving this year, and he graciously took it apart and shifted the tabletop over. So now the overhang on the front is about 2 inches, and on the opposite side it's 14 inches. And I can easily pull the drawer open from the front of the table, see what's in there, get what I need, and push it back in. It's much, much better. And here's a bonus. With that 14-inch overhang, I can put a chair under there and use that as a workstation when I need to do something that isn't at the sewing machine. I did sand it down and gave it a fresh coat of paint, and I actually changed the paint color. I had a gray chalk, but I had a leftover blue paint, which was actually a light teal, and so I just gave it a fresh new look. Thanks for watching my video, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit me at Sewfeet.com. Happy stitching!